How to fix Windows sleep mode. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, in the search bar, go ahead and search for settings. Once you search for it, tap open. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and tap on system. And from here, simply tap on power and battery. So you want to go ahead and tap on screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts. And simply play with these timers. You want to go ahead and set it to however you like and plugged in and on battery. Once that is done, head back to your home screen and then in the search bar, go ahead and search for edit power plan. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap open. And just like so, you'll then be able to find the settings. You want to go ahead and select the timer to turn off the display, on battery and plugged in. Go ahead and set it to however you like. After that, tap on save changes and you'll then be good to go. And after that, you can go ahead and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you want to go ahead and tap on change advanced bar settings. And inside here, double tap on sleep. You want to go ahead and simply tap on allow wake timers. Double tap onto it. And you want to make sure that on battery and plugged in are disabled. Once you do that, tap on apply and then tap on OK. And once that is done, you'll then be able to fix your issue. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.